Hello everyone, welcome to another arrays easy level question where we'll be looking at this question, which is largest local values in a matrix. Now this is quite an easy question. We just need to understand how to access the 2D array and we need to understand like what should be the maximum cell or what should be the maximum row and column that we need to access, right? So let's dive straight into the explanation. So here what we have is we are given so we are given a matrix like a 2D array, okay, and it's called grid. This is an n cross n matrix, okay. Now we need to return as a result another matrix max local with array size n-2 cross n-2. That is, in our case, this is 1 2 3 4 cross 4, right? So we need to return a 2 cross 2. Okay. Now the values, what are going to be the values? So let me number these cells just for the sake of our understanding. Okay. I equals to 0 and our j equals to 0. Now what they're asking is this in the whole matrix, okay, we need to find the maximum of a 3 cross 3 matrix, maximum in a 3 cross 3 matrix. So let's say for our first matrix is going to start from 1 and end at 11, okay. So 1 2 3 5 6 7 9 10 11. In this 3 cross 3 matrix we need to find the maximum value that we have, okay, and we have to assign it to this cell, that is A, okay. Next we'll have to start from 2 till 12, another 3 cross 3 matrix, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, 3 cross 3 matrix, that is 2 3 4 6 7 8 10 11 12. We need to find maximum in this matrix and give it here. Now we can't go from 2 to 3, otherwise it will give us array index bound, okay. So our value of j, it's going to be starting from 0 and it will go till n-2, j less than n-2. The same is going to be for I equals 0, I less than n-2, okay. This is important, okay. Similarly for C, it will start from 5 and it will go till 15, 5 6 7 9 10 11 13 14 and 15. And for okay, this is C, and for last cell it will start from our 6 7 8 10 11 12 14 15 16. The maximum in this will give us D, okay. So this is one thing, okay. Now let's another thing, how will we solve this exactly? 1 2 and 3. So how will we solve this exactly? So first of all we'll have two for loops, like nested loops. I will start from I equals 0, I less than n-2, I plus plus, and this j, this is going to be j less than n-2, j plus plus, okay. This is going to be our first loop. Inside this for loops we'll start we'll have max local, that is our array that we need to return. We'll create a function. This function will have 3 parameters, 3 arguments, okay. First one is going to be our array, that is the grid, starting position of I and starting position of j. Why do we require the starting position of I and starting position of j? If you will see here, we need to go from I equals to 0. This is the starting position, okay. That is for I equals to, let's say I starting position of I, and if you can see we are going for a 3 cross 3 matrix, okay. So I plus 3, so I less than I start plus 3. Similarly for j equals to j start, j equals to j start, j less than j start plus 3. Okay, and we will find here this for loop is for a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, and this for loop, this is for our grid. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, you got it. It's quite, it looks a little bit confusing here, but let's jump into the code and it will be easier to understand. Okay, so first we need our size of our grid. Okay, we also need our vector max local. For size of row is going to be size minus 2, and size of our column is also going to be size minus 2. Okay, now first thing, I less than size minus 2. Okay, j equals to 0, j less than size minus 2, j plus plus. In our max local ij, that is going to be, we'll find max, and as I said, we'll have 3 arguments: grid, our starting position of I, and our starting position of j. Okay, and at the end we will simply return our max local. Now we need to create this find max function. Okay, let's create that. The return type going to be int. Okay, find max vector of vector int, it's going to be, let's say, array, int I start, int j start. Okay, let me give it as temp for our maximum. Okay, for finding the maximum value. For int I equals to I start, I less than I start plus 3. As I said here, we need I start plus 3, right? I start plus 3. And for grid, we are going n minus 2. Okay, I plus plus. For int j equals to j start plus 3, j plus plus. Okay, here we'll find temp, like the maximum. Temp is equal to nothing but max of temp, and our array ij. Okay, at the end we will return our temp. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, sorry, just seems, yeah, I forgot this here. Let me submit this again. Okay, so it is that easy. Don't worry about the time, runtime and everything right now. Okay, we will be covering, like, slowly moving forward as we go through more complex problems. We will focus on that. As of now, it is not a big issue. As you can see here, we have the time complexity of O of n to the power of 4. Okay, because technically what this max local is nothing but 2 for loops inside these 2 for loops. Okay, so it is and the size that we have is n. If you can see in the description, we are given n cross n, right? So it is going to be n to the power of 4, big O of n to the power of 4, so which is not a very good one. But we are going only through the brute force to understand how the arrays and everything is working. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any other suggestions or queries or doubts from any other problems or any other platform. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.